We bought this house 5 years ago, and it had a 20-year roof at the time. We hit the 25-year mark and thought now would be a good time for a roof replacement. We had no issues with the roof, so we contacted Joyland to come out and give us a quote. I was looking for local, and I wanted something that had like a good reputation. So obviously you go online, you go to Google, you look at ratings, and then I went to the Joyland site and was able to get a digital quote immediately, which was pretty high tech, and it gave me a bunch of options. That reinforced my desire to stick with Joyland. Jason Martin, who was my first point of contact, and of all the people we spoke to, he was the only one that went on the roof, took photos, and gave me a pretty good detailed review of our roof, which was in pretty good shape, but it was definitely time. So they showed up Monday at 7 a.m. and by 7 p.m. it was finished. We had a crew of about 8 people, and they told us when we started that they'd probably finish within the day. I had my doubts, but they were able to do that. I was never too far away from someone reaching out with updates on scheduling, updates on the project, any changes that were in there. So I felt like between Jason, Ellie, Conrad, there was always a person to talk to, and they were reaching out to me. So I never felt like I had to track anyone down, which is sometimes difficult when you're dealing with large contractable projects. No, I'm satisfied with everything. From an improvement perspective, I would think that other companies should be trying to do what Joyland's doing. So I've already had neighbors reach out and were interested. A couple things. One, there's a really strong social media presence that the owner puts out there, really strong values. And the fact that the roof looks so good, I've had neighbors come up and tell us that it looks great, they're really happy with it. I probably should have asked them what color we should have gone with because they see it more than we do.